Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to use Clipchamp AI. So if you want to go ahead and try to use that, here is a step-by-step guide for you. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up for an account here or try to sign in if you have an account already. Now, once you're already in, you should be able to see this dashboard. So here onto the dashboard, there are different things that you could do. So to go ahead and use Clipchamp AI, we need to click on to create a video with AI. So once you have selected that, so there are a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So it will ask you what's the title of your video. So for example, we're gonna go ahead and try it, animals. And then right after, you could go ahead and add in your own media, or your media will be reviewed by AI to compose your video. So you could just click on to get started for that. So right after you have added already your own media. Now, as you can see, I have added them already. And then right after, the next step is to choose in a style. So you could choose if you want it to be clean or stylish, and there are different color palettes also to choose for that one. So if you like this, so you could go ahead and click onto the green button for like and dislike. So we're gonna go ahead and try to choose which one we like. So let's just gonna move it until we find the right one. And also you could ask AI to choose it for you. So I kind of like this one. We're gonna go ahead and click onto next, and then right after, which aspect ratio suits your video. So you could choose if it is for landscape or portrait. So we're gonna go ahead and add it for landscape and how long your video should be. So full length, we'll click onto next, and then right after, it will ask you to choose in a music in here. So we could choose the sunshine. You could also do a quick preview for that. And then also here, you could choose in some fun in here for your video editing. And then as you can see, you could go ahead and do a quick preview already onto how your video should look like. Then for the last step, once you're already satisfied, you could go ahead and click onto export already. And if you want to go ahead and try to make some changes, just go ahead and click onto edit in timeline. So we're going to click onto export if you're already done, and you could rate them as well onto your video creation experience. And that's just basically it onto using Clipchamp AI. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.